Hey, welcome back, everybody. Sign here again with another episode of Harmonious Engineering. And I went ahead and got myself two more dissolution chambers. No, you don't hook up there. Two more dissolution chambers, and we're going to hook them up to this poor beleaguered power source I have over here. So, you need latex. You need pink slime. How much can you hold? 16 buckets. Okay, so... jerry can, right? Jerry can move 10 buckets at a time, and that should last me for a while. Let me go ahead and get a few of those. And then get one of these. So I can grab 10 buckets of latex from you. And I should be able to pull this fluid back out later whenever I want to. So... and see, first one is going to be our latex. Like so, right? Wait. Oh, I was looking in the wrong spot. 8 buckets. Oh, right. Okay. And here's hoping I can get the latex out of this thing now. I have a feeling that if I right click on this tank, it's just going to fill up my jerry can. Right. Oh, no, it emptied it. All right, cool. All right, well, sweet. That works. And let's go ahead and bucket, right? And 4 should work. We need pink slime now. I really need to kill a wither. I've been putting it off. Now I really want speed beacons, just to kind of get around a bit better. Oh! Okay, I completely forgot that was a quest still. Yeah, pink slime. I had that, I didn't have that. Alright. Now, is my experience going to show back up? Okay. I had, like, just over a level from remaking my sword. Yeah, last episode, that was annoying. Oh, reflexes, right? And... I'm really not using this boiler for anything, am I? Right now it's powering itself. And this thing, where I occasionally make a thermal machine. There we go. So we had 4 buckets of pink slime in here. Now, say, let's get rid of that. If I want to make ether gas, well, we need a laser drill. All right. So I need simple machine frames for laser drills, and then fluid laser base requires an advanced machine frame. So I'm going to need 5 of these simples. So it means I need 5 pity machine frames. Probably, actually, no, I know I'm going to need more tin gears. And maybe I should make a couple of door sensors too. Door sensor. Missing pressure plates. Because I'm constantly leaving and entering through the back door here. Yeah, that's not going to work. Come on. There we go. The heck, man? Go climbing up the stairs and then just run off at me. Alright. Much better. So I need 10. How am I doing on 10? Doing pretty okay-ish, I guess. Just under 300. That's not great. That is an idea that I can look up while we're waiting for these to process. And... oop. You. Overview resources, mineral deposits. Okay. Copper, gold, prismarine, deep slate, emerald. Okay. Coal, sulfur, 10. Considerite. Okay, cool. I wasn't sure if it was gonna, because 10 is not normally in immersive engineering, so I wasn't sure if we were actually gonna have access to it or not. Did you already finish? That was quick. Yeah, I guess I was thinking full stack, and so I was thinking 64 operations. Well, only 16 with the gear press. So now, what else are 10 gears used for? Just the saws, numismatic, and these. Hey, look at you go. And you now. Oh, wrong button. I meant to hit that button. These. Give me 5. Right. Now, in here, I need nether brick, I need plastic sheets, and gold gears. Okay. I have no golden gears. You know what? Let me hold that stack and do that. Okay. Plastic, right? I have 6 pieces of plastic. We did find an alternate recipe for this stuff that requires a multi-servo press, though. So, machine frame depot mechanical press. I'm going to need that. Dang it. Let me just add that over here. 2 pistons. Let's see. Depot, I don't know if I have or not. And then machine frame. Yeah, I've actually got quite a few now, which is awesome. We need 8 scaffolding, 3 sheet metal. I need 2 heavy engineering, a light, and a redstone. Okay. Come on, click on the box, thank you. 2. Wow. Okay. Perfect. Can't ask for more than that, really. So, it is redstone and then light. Okay. So, light goes here, redstone goes there. Heavy, heavy. Press. Depot. There we go. There's that. No, not the buckets. The pistons. All right, so I can turn rubber into plastic with a press. 3 to 1. So it's not great, but it will be easier to automate than the pneumatic craft version. Although, do we have like a fluid placer? Placer module. Places item as a block. So it might actually work with like a bucket. Guess you could use that for like an obsidian generator then too. Why am I need rubber. That's right. That's why I'm in here. And LV. Dang it. LV. There is a keyboard shortcut for grabbing just one single item. I just can't remember what it is off the top of my head. That looks really strange, though. On the functional storage, the drawer, barrel, what do you want to call it? The storage unit. The item's 3D. I'm not used to that. All right, so you go here. No. There. And there. Been playing a different Minecraft pack, which should be showing up a couple days on my channel. The controls are slightly different though, because it's an older pack. It is a nostalgia playthrough is what it is. Actually, I recorded the first episode for like 2.5 weeks ago. Just been playing it occasionally whenever I get the mood, and been recording it, so. Yeah, probably this weekend I'll have that series coming out. Let's see, near my blast chiller. Yeah, see, I need to automate all of this stuff. I want a better base first, though. But right now, I'm fixated on a project, and we're going to do that project because I spent a lot of time on it already, and... Oh, what is it? The lost capital fallacy? Is that what it's called? Also, here. Give me that stuff back, too. Basically, sinking good money after bad. That logical fallacy there. Oh, I meant to do golden gears while I'm sitting here waiting. Alright, whoop. And there. You know, let's just go ahead and take care of those, like that. Like, I do have a diesel power plant up and running, which is good. I need to make it look better. But it is running. Now, to make these, I need 4 each, so I need 20 plastic. Alright, so... let's see. I went ahead and I'd had nether brick smelting up already, which I completely forgot about. So it's like, alright, awesome, we've got that taken care of. I've started populating out the first recipe so that I can lock those in. Right. What am I missing here? Iron and plastic. Oh, right. Okay, well, unlock that then. For some reason, I just glossed over the fact that it was iron ingots at the bottom, not plastic. Do I have any iron sitting over here? I actually might have some. No. It's probably over here. No. I never processed that iron I dug up. Okay, whoops. That's something else I need to get a proper base going for, is I need ore processing. Especially since I'm basically getting into ore lasers now. I don't know if I'm going to use I might actually use the ore laser. Because, well, it can give me everything. But I definitely want to find like a coal deposit, iron deposit. Definitely the debris deposit. Hey, look, it's crafting. Alright, cool. You are kind of sort of done. There you go. You can have all of that. And I really should have made speed upgrades. Oh well. There goes. Da, 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 da. And now, this one I only need 1 of, but I do need you. Oh, hey, cool. That was a quest. In here, so I need 2 more plastic, I need 2 scrap, I need 2 gold, and a diamond gear. Take 2 of those, thank you. Plastic went where now? In the top, okay. You and you. I should have a couple pieces of scrap that I reserved just for this. And I've been having to manually find all my scrap, and it is not fun. I've got 15 pieces of scrap. Okay, cool. More than I thought I did. A couple of those, and... diamond. There we go. So let's come over to here. And these don't actually have to be just like they are in the recipe. I could do like this and that. And it'll still craft. It just wants those specific items. And hey, we're done. Cool. So now this is also set up. So all I have to do is drop in more of these pity machine frames, and we are good to go. Hopefully, right? It was 2 more quests done. Okay, there's that one. There's that. Plant fertilizer, okay. That might not be a bad thing. And from here we can get into the infinity tools. Lasers. Any laser base and 4 laser drills. Wow. It's it's like Jose knew. All right. Oh, and actually we have thermally expanding. Oh yeah, because I made the flux capacitor. Hey, we're back up to level 15 already. Awesome. Because I kind of sort of burned through a ton of experience already. Laser drill. Okay, cool. I need, not that. Well, actually, I do need this. Okay, so one of you. More diamonds, of course, right? Just go ahead and grab like half a stack. And so while we're here, need you, and I want you. Okay, now how are you guys? Plastic, gold gears, okay. And just give me a bunch of gold. Diamond, gold, okay. I need to bring plastic over with me. But yeah, see what I mean by it's 3D? It sticks out just a little bit. It's kind of, it caught me off guard earlier. It's different, that's for sure. And you are still on gear mode, okay. Be kind of cool if you could use the mechanical press instead of, or as well as the multi-servo here to make plastic. I'm just saying because I would like to use as little thermal machines as possible. I mean, when you compare these machines to like what Immersive Engineering has, these are like the stereotypical magic block solutions. Mind Factory Reloaded was horrible about having just one block solutions for every problem, but at the same time, it was awesome for having like a giant skyblock base or whatever. Yeah, how much plastic we got here? Oh, we're gonna have 30. Okay. $26 should be enough. I'll just let that run. See, I never did finish like this up here. It's like I built this and then I started doing some of that, and then every time I would look back at this building, it's like I need to do something about that. All right, so you and you can go, and you know what? Here, we'll do that. Laser drill. I'm out of pistons. Okay. So, need 3 more of you. There we go. And then we need 1 of you. There it goes. Took a second for the toast to show up. All right, so we have ourselves a fluid laser and then any enchanted device. Okay. GI relief for withers. Not sure you can explain this any better than I can. Keeping a wither in a stasis chamber, you've been able to harvest ether gas from inside the wither using a fluid laser. As odd as this is, you have to wonder sort of insanely neat technology this unlocks. Nothing this caliber has ever been seen before. And after that, we get to intergalactic travel. Also, the mecha suit. And ether-infused frames, black hole controller. This is where we're going right here. So I need a wither. I do have wither. Well, I have the skulls for a wither, let's put it that way. We do need a stasis chamber, though. This thing. That is going to require another advanced machine frame, so... frame... There we go. No, not you. Pity. So I need 1 of you. And then I need more scrap, right? Some gold. It was like a diamond gear, wasn't it? Man. Should get the ore laser going here soon just for the diamonds. Is there any sort of other processing we can get diamonds from? Let's see, that's all diamond ore, which makes sense. In here, diamond horse armor. Okay. Bulk blasting a diamond ore, pass. Okay, just that. 8 blocks of coal equal 1 diamond. All right, that's an option. Pulverizer, we can recycle diamond armor, diamond tools, and diamond ore. The induction smelter. Okay. Yeah, Ender IO was the one that had a really awesome option. It was like a less than 1% chance, but you could get diamonds out of coal ore, which is awesome. I loved it. All right, you go here. And you, and then I need 2 of you. You're still not done. 300 ticks, huh? Okay. And same speed. All right. I do love how it shows the progress in ticks as well as an ETA in actual seconds. Because most people don't think in terms of ticks. And oddly, that is just such an odd measurement to be thinking of. And if you ever catch yourself doing that in real life, you might want to take a break from Minecraft for a bit. Also, what is with this? And over here. We're getting some weird shadows in some of the modded blocks. Stasis chamber. Oh, I need gas tiers. Oh no. Okay, Frick, I gotta go to the Nether. The good news is my portal is actually in a soul sand valley, so it usually doesn't take me long to get gas tiers. But what I do is this. And the reason for that is, well, I don't have looting on my sword anymore. Oh, that's gonna suck. Okay. Yeah, that makes it worse. I used to have looting 3 on my sword. Hi. Whoa. Ow. Okay. I need to get another looting 3 book. Hey. Oh, okay, that explains it. Skeletons hate the little... Actually, most mobs from what I've seen hate the little, like, undead crawler things. And explains why there was, you know, bits left behind. I forget what those things are called now. The little, like, soul sand torso things that crawl after you. And that. What are you? Embody. Go away. Oh, that's right. Since my first time in the Nether, since getting soul speed on my boots, I'm like, what the heck? Why is everything moving so weirdly? That's, yeah. Get down here. Thank you. Ow. It's because I'm actually getting a speed boost from being on soul sand and soul soil. And it's actually kind of strange. Oh, hey, there's one of those guys. All right. Yep, see, there's a skeleton fighting one of them right now. Oh, wow. And it killed the skeleton. I need to harvest up soul sand just for this. Wait a second, soul sand still works under slabs, right? For soul speed? Oh, I didn't even see you there. Yeah, you all can die. There we go. I find myself thinking, you calm down now. Keep finding myself thinking those little embodied guys are some sort of weird deposit in soul sand. Alright. I was just thinking I could do pathways of soul soil and put slabs on top, or even slices. You know, the like a concrete slice. This is as long as I've had to wait without hearing a ghast. And yeah, what the heck, man? There's like none around me now. Alright, well, I need 2 ghast tiers, which is unfortunate. Wow, man, you are just like all over the damn place, aren't you? I hear another one. I thought I heard one of the embodied guys. There he is. Let's see. Yeah. It's a shame I can't pick up spawners, because I do want to grab those guys. I just know that it's going to be like an hour to 2 hour long process. Oh my god, they're everywhere here. Go away. To get those spawners back over to my portal. Where I can actually, you know, use them for something. Holy crap. You guys can be fast, can't you? There you are. What is... I see a dungeon up here. Dang it. Okay, it's a zombie pigman dungeon. This one is quite a bit closer, but I don't really need a piglin dungeon for anything. I guess infinite gold, but... no, I'm not gonna worry about that. Blocks I'll take. I'll take the saddle, I guess. Weighted. With affection on it. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, lure 3. I don't think I had that one yet. Other side. I don't remember if I had that disc or not. Curse of Vanishing and Weighted. Does much more damage than usual. Large mass. Very short range. Uses more air. Okay. Are you going after the zombie plague one over there? Oh, there you go. There's no recipe for gas tears, is there? Oh, no, there's not. Go away. We are in Minecraft the Nether. Yeah, Soul Sand Valley. So. Hmm. So, fact of the day, if you go through the portal while eating, you will finish eating while you're in the portal. Sweet. Things I did not know until now. But yeah, this is... Yeah, I should get some soul soil over here and start making roads with it. Now we have that. And then I grabbed, you know, a little bit of glowstone and some quartz while I was over there. So what can I do with you? Nether skewer. That's kind of it. Okay. Come on. There it goes. That was a weird bit of lag. Stuff was going into here, but it wasn't actually reflecting that in my, my inventory. All right, so HV. I am going to need high voltage. Now, what are you going to pull? Okay, you pull terracotta. That's fine. Let's see. Wire, I should have. Relays, I think I have as well. I just need some connectors. Maybe a relay. Or 8, you know. And then I've got 36. Yeah, okay, we're good. My other option would be to run cables everywhere and skyhook around my base, but skyhook is actually really not that... Actually, that's still a thing, right? Skyhook? Yeah, okay. To skyhook on these, I would have to wear a Faraday suit, though. Alright, I do have some netherite with me. Oh, hey, we got oil right here. I keep forgetting about this oil. Alright, how's your fluid doing? Oh, yeah, you're completely backed up and just sitting and waiting. Which is... Oh, wow. Okay, that might be a problem, though. Okay. I had a stack plus just sitting there. That's the downside of using belts, is items can just pile up, so... It is another logistical challenge with immersive engineering, but... Not always the greatest. Alright, so stasis chamber. You, my friend, are going to need power, so I have to put you down here. I can't really countersink you that easily. And I should have wooden post. We're just going to go ahead and put you right here. Let's get our relays, wires, and connectors out. I'm going to run you over to here. Now, the fun part of this is actually going to... Actually, I think I can kill the wither while it's in there. But in case I can't, the fun part is going to be actually getting the wither out of there in one piece without, like, ruining everything around here. And, okay, fluid laser base can go here. Oh, you're gonna be weird, aren't you, still? Actually, though, yes and no. Let me just hop on down here. Because... Seriously, that doesn't work anymore? Okay, what I think I can do is... I can do that. I can put you here. No. Oh, freaking made these so they can place in any direction, and now it's a pain to actually place the blasted things. They always face away from you, is the thing. There, but I think I can actually place all four like that. And you can see they're all four sending particles into the laser base. So that is a plus of them being able to be placed in any direction. It's just... And you can actually... you can have up to 36 of these laser drills per base. So it can go quite a bit faster if you're willing to put the power into it. All right, you get power. And then, okay, yeah. Here we go. Okay. I need a purple lens, though. Dang it. Okay, I almost forgot. Stasis chamber. You should be good to go, though, right? You're using 1,000 forge energy? Okay. Per cycle, right? Which is 2.5 seconds. So that's what, 40 a tick? That's not bad. Yeah, I mean, look how slow our power's going down, so that's fine. And you know what? Let's grab our dimensional tank. And slap on top that thing to collect the wither goo. Would it be like wither sebum, maybe? Because I don't know if you're so much as extracting it from the inside of the wither, or maybe you're just like scraping the oil off of its skin, and that's what wither gas is. Which is probably actually a worse way of thinking about it, isn't it? Thank you. And lens, purple, we just dye a lens. Or I can actually do purple dye, 4 pearl, or 4 panes, and latex. Okay. Pane, okay. There's 4. Purple dye. All right. And then it is over here. Oh. So actually I need to remove this for now, because I've only got one of these set up and locked, so. Yeah, this recipe only takes 100 ticks. Okay. There we go. And I guess let's just put that away. While we're here, let's go ahead and drop that off. And hopefully this is the last trip we have to make over for, well, this anyway. I wonder how much iron a speed 2 beacon would take. I think it's like, what, 2.5 stacks of blocks? Roughly. Then I would need to have one of those every, I think it's 100 and, roughly 100, well, double that, because it's 100 something radius. I think it's 128 radius. For a max tier. There you go. You have no fluids. Yet. Okay, you do hold 32 buckets by yourself. Push. There we go. All right. I got stuck by the stasis chamber. I can slowly move out of it, but there we go. Okay. So your range is not rendering. Is that an Oculus issue, maybe? Because I don't have shaders on right now. I do have Oculus. And that's, yeah, so I'm thinking that I'll have to check over there, because I know those renders over there worked. The animal breeder and whatnot. Withering Heights, very good. And, yep, look at that. 112, 13, 14, okay. And you know what, while we're over here, hey, scream for me. Thank you. Wow, really? How long ago is... Okay. There we go. How long ago is the thing? Like the recent... There we go. Because that was a huge list of recent sounds. It's like a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, like what? I'm curious now. Not curious to look up the mod documentation right this second, though. All right, so we're over here to our animal, our pink slime generator. Okay, so that's rendering. But the laser drills and the stasis chamber weren't. Now, the stasis chamber is, I think it's a 3x3x3 cube directly above the block. Basically, it's designed just to trap a wither, and you can do other things with it too. If you want to have fun trolling your friends on a server, you can actually hide that one block under the ground and nail them as they try to come into your base. And you can set it up to respond to redstone signal too, so have them hit a tripwire and then boom, stuck. Something I never actually did. Probably should have. Oh well. It's been a while since I played on a Minecraft server. Latency issues just drive me up a wall. Which is why I tend to do a ton of single player stuff. Now I need a ether gas bucket. Now, easy way to do this would be to make another one of these. All right, so I need one of you. What is in the middle? No, not that. This one. That's just it's a bronze gear. Okay. I have no bronze. Okay. Why don't we save some time and just look up ingot? Just getting that, and then we'll grab 310. And the automatic doors are nice, and the fact that it's players only is great. Now, can I make bronze in here? Yes, I can. Sweet. And I'm saving 4 stacks of unobtainium over here so I can turn those into a stack of blocks and then run it through the system again whenever I need more. But I think I'm sitting on like 5 stacks of unobtainium ingots in my storage system right now, and I'm not used a single one. Flex networks, though, I will be getting into that once I... Wow, the weather thing showed up for a second. Once I get into... excavating. Because that'll be about the easiest way to move items out to an excavator. Although I might just go whole hog and be like, you know what? We're we're running like a train track out there and we're taking power with us that way. I miss the old mod alternating flux. I don't think it ever made it past 112 though. But it was great for having a far off, like, huge power station, because alternating flux wires could handle, I think it was 8 times high voltage, but they couldn't connect directly to machines. You had to step them down with transformers and whatnot first, which was a very smart way of doing it. And I think the wires were made out of Constantin, actually. Smithing table. Here we go. I don't think I ever gave that thing over there a proper signal, so we're up to 220 millibuckets of ether gas. Awesome. Temperature 27, luminosity 0, gaseous, yes. That is... I like how it gives all that information. And here we can change the frequency and all that if I want to. Cool thing about this, well, not so much the tablet. But we can actually rotate the frequencies on these at will without having to sit there and re-dye the top or what have you. Kind of like Tesseract, but at the same time, not quite. Now, the thing is, deep storage units, or black hole units. The answer to the deep storage unit, which is an awesome thing. So for this thing, I need 135 millibuckets of ether gas. Well, yeah. I've got more than that made already. I just don't have an easy way of transporting just that much. Now, netherite. I have none. However, I can make 2. Wow, I lucked out. Okay, so we have that. So, black hole controller. Just add this into here. Okay, so we need advanced machine frame. We need diamond gear. My diamonds are going to be hurting something fierce after this. Now, if I want the supreme black holes, I need supreme machine frames. Supreme black hole units, though, hold 2 billion items. Advanced, he's only an advanced machine frame, and it's just a simple crafting recipe. These hold 67 million items apiece. For my purposes right now, though, I can get away with pities. And these are the basic, or the commons. They hold 2,000 items apiece. That's not bad. Pities hold 16,000. If we were to look at our... Okay. Dang it. I put it somewhere. Did I put it in here? Our copy-paste gadget? No. It was in here then, wasn't it? Yeah, it was right here. Right. There we go. We only need, I think the most things I need is 6,500 of the oak. And then we're good. So I can get away with the common, or not common, the pities. For now. I mean, obviously I'm going to want more in the future, but pities are really cheap comparatively. So plastic, ender pearls, we kind of have a few now. We've got, is that like 85 in there? So not huge amounts, but not bad either. And I can go back to the end and just go farm up Enderman. So that's not a huge issue. I do really want to get mending, or not mending, looting on the sword. I have mending on the sword. But, yeah, it's kind of beside the point there. And yeah, let's go ahead and put our high voltage away. But I think I'm going to go ahead and call this an episode. We basically went through and, I mean, we did actually a lot of quests in this chapter today. We went from pities up to simple, and then we went from there to advanced, and now we're almost to the point of being able to make our first supreme, which I only need 1 right in a second. But I've only gotten 400 millibuckets of ether gas so far. I could speed that up by giving it more lasers, but I don't want to drop that kind of resources on this right now. The main thing is diamonds, actually. I'm kind of hurting on diamonds. I've got under a stack left now. And considering that I actually made 5 swords to make my current one, yeah. I've been burning through them pretty quick lately. You are still doing perfectly, though. Cool. You are doing wonderfully. So it's actually got more power now than it did the last time we checked it. So it means it's kicked on since. It's draining quite a bit faster now, actually. I just heard you. I just saw you kick on. I didn't hear a thing, though. Okay, it is draining quite a bit faster, but it's going to be able to keep up without a problem. I do need, since I have a wither right next to my power station, I need to make sure I don't drain this, though. I mean, we're doing good for right now. But if I run out of either ethanol or plant oil or vegetable oil, things could go badly very, very quickly. Or I could just abandon this section and just never come back here ever again. But I mean, heck, there's even a village, that big village right there. It's actually within sight of here. So, yeah. Oh, I snuck in and I put a magnum torch in there. Just to make sure that my villagers don't get ate. Then we've got that little acacia village right over there, too. Out exploring, I found so many things in this world. I found Mushroom Island villages. Actually, can I... Is there... No, there's not really a way to... Dang. To move my map to a waypoint, because... it's like... 9,000-ish on each coordinate. And yeah, here we go. I think this is close. Oh no, this was to this vertical line here, or north-south anyway. This is to, yep, the tower right there. Now if I go back up, by the way, you can use your arrow keys to move around smoothly like this on Journey Map. Here we go. There are 2 villages on Mushroom Islands. Way out in the middle of nowhere. I got a map for this one. I had no idea how far away it was. X5349, Z9250. There's 2 autumn floating islands here, and then there's a summer floating island over on the right over the top of a monolith. If I had spawned close to this area, I would have, yeah, that would have been awesome. I'd be living on a floating island, and, you know, nothing hostile spawns in a mushroom field biome. Let's go here, though. Back to me. Found out there's a mushroom island right here. Right, just southeast of us. And there's a monument here, and then there's another monument here. If you are using Journey Map, what you can do is you can set cartography, turn on bathymetry. And that'll actually show you the terrain under the water too, rather than just a flat surface. But I mean, there's a Illager ruin there. There's another one of the big villages here. There's a meteor right there. But I mean, it was kind of cool finding a mushroom biome right there. I could actually go get mushrooms if I want to, which I might. I can milk them for mushroom soup, so. All right, but I'm going to go ahead and call this an episode. Thank you for coming out. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next one, signing out. Have fun.